In this tutorial, I am showing how you will fetch the repeater field data and put them into the Fluent form field. This is a paid tutorial. Make sure that you purchase this tutorial before following the full video. I installed the ACF Pro plugin and create a repeater field. Just added a one subfield and select the post type page. So this custom field appearing into my page. This is my repeater field. Now I am going to the Fluent form, opening a space, opening a form. First, I shall map the data with drop down field. So this is my drop down, removing the options. Drop down field with ACF data. Okay. Same advanced option. Okay. I use the ACF drop down name attribute in my PHP file. So if you use the different name attribute, you should edit the PHP file and you will edit the PHP code and replace the ACF drop down with your name attribute. Now I am saving the form. I am copy the short code and placing my form, placing my page. This is my page and updating the page. Now view the page. You can see that here no drop down is coming because I did not add any content into the repeater field. Now I shall add the content. Option 1 ACF testing. Okay, to field. Updating the page. Now I am refreshing this page. You can see that drop down is coming and getting the two field data. Same way I am adding the radio field and in the option changing the name. Same, I am using this name into my function, into my PHP code. So you will replace this name with your name attribute in the PHP snippet. I am saving the forms and refreshing the page. So you can see that radio field value is coming from ACF repeater field. At the same time, I shall create the checkbox. Okay, if I add more content here, now refreshing the page. So repeater field data is coming here.